founder of OwlShield.ai, and now I'll show a quick demo of how OwlShield AI works. So a lot of organizations and companies are building LLM powered applications. Some are even building AI agents that is using LLM as a backbone. But the problem is that these LLM interact with users and external data where there are substantial risks involved in getting the LLM exploited. And now I'll show you a quick demo of one of these instances happening and how OwlShield can help you prevent those attacks. So I'm going to click on my profile right now. And as you can see, I can create different workspaces. I'm going to create one. Earlier, I created a health assistant. So I'll just create another health assistant. And this is like AI assistant for a particular hospital. For example, my interface with a patient's query. So what you do is that you can name your endpoint. I'll name myself HealthBot. Then I select your provider. I'll select OpenAI and generate a secure endpoint. So this endpoint is unique to me, and I can use it to query whoever I want, the OpenAI provider, in a very secure manner. So right now, if I can go back to my any code editor that you are building any application using LLM, just replace the endpoint with your actual endpoint, with this new endpoint. So actually nothing changed. You just need one line of code that you change, which is just the endpoint. Everything else is for demo purposes, but your application should work as intended. So now I'm going to ask a simple question like, hello, who are you? And now I set this application I built to be about this individual called OwlShield. So it's a friendly owl over here. So you'll just say, oh, I'm OpenAI virtual assistant represented as a friendly owl. Great. So right now, what I will show you is a situation where attacker try to attack your endpoint. So right now, none of the shields are being configured in OwlShield, which is a firewall that is protecting your LLM applications. And what happens when a user put in a malicious prompt instead? So a malicious prompt just simply asks what's the first letter of each word, and this will obviously come with a vulgarity. So I'll show you right over here. And OpenAI doesn't have capacity to block against this attack, and there are new attacks coming out every day. So I'll just show you right now. Here you go. It says "fuck you," and this is example of an exploit. And you can imagine if AI agents are trained to take in inputs and then make decisions based on that input, and I can change this string to anything else, like it can be a true or false, and then it can change to false because I have like some way to jailbreak the chatbot. You can think of how malicious and how you really break a workflow and cause tremendous damage. And in this case, if a chatbot, it has tremendous reputational damage. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna activate different shields here. There's different way to configure different shields, but we'll just showcase the vulgarity shield, which block the output of any malicious or vulgarity content. I'm gonna save the shield configuration, and there's nothing I need to do on the back end. I save the shield configuration on the front end. Good for teams that are not very developer savvy. And all I do is I'm gonna run it again, and boom, it's being blocked by OwlShield. So that's a quick demo of OwlShield. I hope you find it interesting. And again, there's more attack and ways that LLM applications could fail, and we're trying to really minimize that risk as attack surface tremendously to help you build a more safe and secure AI application. I hope you enjoy the demo. Thanks a bunch. See ya.